In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of posting your videos or templates on CapCut. It's essential to follow these instructions carefully for successful uploading. Before we begin, it's important to note that to upload any post, video, or event template on CapCut, you need to be a template creator. This requires regular editing to be recognized as such by CapCut's agency or customer service. Once you've become a template creator, you'll notice a specific button below the Share button after exporting any video. This button signifies the option to share your creation as a template. To find this button, simply create a project and proceed with exporting it. If you meet the criteria to be a template creator, the button will appear. Click on this button and your template will be uploaded to CapCut. Remember, consistent editing is key to maintaining your template creator status. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.